Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to transfer Toncoin from Telegram wallet to Bitget. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to transfer Toncoin from your Telegram wallet to Bitget, you will first need to download and create an account on the Bitget wallet. Then within the Bitget wallet, access to your Ton wallet. Once you've created your Ton wallet in Bitget, simply tap on the Toncoin to view your wallet details and then copy your Bitget Ton wallet address. So once you open your Telegram wallet now, simply navigate to the wallet section. So once you're in the wallet section as well, simply select the Ton you want to withdraw. Once you have found this, simply tap on send or withdraw and paste your Bitget Ton wallet address into the recipient's fill-in Telegram wallet. Choose the correct network, enter the amount of Toncoin you want to send, and then confirm the transfer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. So by doing this, you can simply transfer Toncoin from Telegram wallet to your Bitget. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.